This is our new house in Missouri, our new apartment. And there's Sharon Simmons taking the girls down to play while we unload the car. We're very happy to be here. Our trailer hitch broke about 30 miles from MTC. God is very good to us. We didn't lose anything. There's Tim Simmons reserving a truck for us to use to unload our stuff from the storage unit. And there's Alex Weichert. Hi, Allie! The Weicherts are our next door neighbors. The Weicherts' apartment. Hi, Jared.
Hey, Lee.
And this is our apartment right here. Living room, kitchen. And back here is a little mud room and a washer and dryer. There's a little bathroom. And there's a closet in there.
Oh.
And we'll go look upstairs. This is one bedroom right here. It's quite large. And the view outside to the woods. Beautiful and quiet. Couple closets. Here's the bathroom. There's the bathtub for the kids. And the second bedroom. And the view outside. There's Sharon and the girls at the playground. And that's all. We are at MTC.